Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process Altice One remote control, non-responsive, why and what to do. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step this issue. Okay, so why Altice One remote controller non-responsive? The Altice One remote controller may stop working for various reasons like poor battery contact, technical glitch, or interference. Okay, so first solution is you have to check your battery. How to check that? Open the battery compartment cover, remove the old battery, check the corrosion or damage on the old battery. Okay, if damaged or corroded, replace with the new battery. Insert the new battery matching positive and negative and with correct polarity. Okay, and then check for the interference. Ensure remote is within 10 feet or less. Remove obstruction clear line of sight between remote and box. Check for the electronic device. Turn off the other device or move them away. Check the LED light interference. Turn off LED light in the area. Try in a different location. Use a remote in a different location to check for the interference. Okay, and then repair the remote. Press the home button on your Optimum remote, navigate to the setting and select remote. Choose the option to pair the Optimum World remote, and before clicking the pair remote, hold down the 7 and 9 buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds to enter pairing mode. Okay guys? And then after holding the button, click on the pair remote control. Place the remote close to the Optimum receiver to establish a connection. If the pairing process is unsuccessful, hold the 7 and 9 button again for at least 5 seconds. Then press the X or Home button to exit the pairing screen. And then reset the optimum remote. Simultaneously hold the 7 and 9 button for few seconds. Let go to the button and then press the power button to attempt a reset. And try using the remote again with your cable box to see if the volume functionality has been restored. Okay? And then all of a step is still not working for you, you can contact Altai support for further assistance. Their team can provide more in-depth guidance, possibly identifying issue that can't be resolved. So, okay. So thanks guys. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.